Hi, today this video I will do unboxing this DJI goggles. We just purchased from our local online DJI store. So this is the box it's come with. So this is the goggles. We take out one by one. And this is a headband. A charger. And come with a box. Also come with the user manual. Also come with this warranty support business card. So this is from Malaysia warranty. So we check on inside the box what we have. So inside the box is come with some cable to allow you to connect to that RC. If you are using a DJI Mavic, so you can straight away pair with your Mavic using this Wi-Fi. If you are using this Phantom series, you can use this HDMI connect to your RC remote control to display out that into this goggles. So this is clean up for your lenses one. I think this one is to hook up this cable. So they come with a micro USB cable as well. This one also can be used for charging. So basically you just connect it, and then here is the USB port. You can put your charger into here to charge, and then it will have an indicator light. When the charging mode is full, the light will be off. So this is the power button, and here is the touchpad, and you have a return button and a function button. This one is for binding, and this dial is to adjust the lenses, your eyes position, but it's not focused for the distant vision. So actually this can be used for those wearing classes, so you can use the classes as well. By the way, I have test when you wearing the glasses, the image actually is not sharp enough. So I did order from other website for this vision collection. Once the product coming in, I will do a product review for this DJI goggles, how to reinstall that classes into it, and I will put the link into the description. So this is a locking system to your head. So by the way, you can't really see if I power on. Unless I will hook up to extend out to external port, this way only you can see that inside menu. So this is a HDMI port, and you can put a micro USB micro SD card, and then this is a headphone jack. They do come with a speaker as well. So I also order from Light Tech to storing this DJI goggles. The box quite huge. It comes with this big box, and you can actually store your DJI Mavic into it as well. So after you unplug this, then the goggles you just put like this. We prefer put like this way. And then this one, it quite fit. So you can store your charger and cable, everything inside here. And also you can fix your Mavic inside as well. So it's become all-in-one. They come with 3 battery slot, so you can have an extra slot to put the battery in. it just fits very nice. So here you can put that Mavic charger, or if you have other accessory, you can put it in. I have this Architect panel antenna, so I can just simply put it inside, so for easy carry. Also if you have that the Architect omnidirectional antenna, you can just simply put somewhere around, then you can cover it all into the one box. So the extra props cable, you can just simply put inside the box, all will be fixed into it. Actually this hard case very convenient to allow you to store everything inside the box, so you no need to carry so many boxes. This is an extra box. Actually you can keep somewhere. Let's see, inside still got space on it. You can just simply put it here, and then now all is into the one boxes, so very easy to carry out when you want to go somewhere to fly your Mavic. Just open the box and set up, everything is into the box, and it's quite secure. They have come with a 4 lock. And come with the handle as well. So I would recommend for those who have a DJI Goggles with a Mavic. So this is one of the optional accessory that you may need. Better than you using the backpack. This one is waterproof. So the next video I will try to using this DJI Goggles to fly with this Mavic. I have never done FPV before, so should have a try. This is something new for me. So I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.